Stories to read are deletable, suppose that they be noch but fable. Learn should stories that sooth fast were, and they were said on weird manner, hey double, pleasance in hearing. The first, pleasance is a coppin, and the t'other, the sooth fastness. It shows a hang recht as it was, such things are liken, till monies hearing are pleasant. Therefore I would fain set my will, gain my wit, mix of a title, and put in writ a suffa story, that at least stay forth the memory, say that nae time of length it let, nae garret haily be for yet, for all stories that men reads, represents to them the deeds, the stalwart folk that live it are, recht as they in presence were, the certes they should well hae prize, that in their time were wicked and wise, they lived their life in great battle, that often hard stood a battle, one great prize of chivalry, and avoided to cowardry, as was King Robert of Scotland, that hardy was a heart and hand, and we'd Sir James of Douglas, that in his time sae worthy that in Ahas lands was renowned out of he. Therefore I would fain set my will, gain my wit, mix of her subtle, to put in writ a suffa story, that at least stay forth the memory, say at nae time of length it let, nae garret haily be for yet.